And the toast is done. Hello everybody, and welcome back to Evening Star, our lovely caravan. As you can see, we're out and about again, and we're in the caravan. Now, this vlog is a very short one. I recently purchased what is affectionately known as the Big Red, and it created so much interest, I thought I'd do a quick vlog about it. So this is it. It's actually the SQ Professional. And if you're interested, there's a link below in the description where you can go directly to Amazon using our affiliate link. To buy it doesn't cost you any extra. It just gives us a few pence to help continue the channel. Anyway, this is stunning. We love it. As you can see, it opens. You'll see this in use very shortly, and when you're cooking with it, you can of course flip it over and do the other side, although we've not actually tried that one. Anyway, so for everybody that has asked me about the Big Red or the SQ Professional, this vlog is especially for you. Well, Valentine's Day, definitely the day to get the Big Red out. Oh yes, get the Big Red out. Breakfast. Oh, all in one pan. Oh yes. A little bit of squirty stuff. Breakfast is coming on the Big Red. Here it's sizzling. First the bacon, and the eggs, and tomatoes.
Oops! Go over. Oh, good.
It's alive, that one.
Oh, it is, yeah. Come on.
Why is it those goldfish?
I'll
It's
leave it.
Italian fortune as we got in a Christmas cracker. Oh, look at that. Oh, yeah. Oh, a double egg. Cool, two for the price of one. Look at that. What a perfect way to start the day. I love the Big Red. Yeah. Thanks to Chris and Sammy for teaching us this one. Mushrooms in there then. Eggs are out. Hey, cannot wait. Get it on the plate. Oh. Evidently you can do toast in these as well. That'll have to be the next game.
I don't know what this is.
That's
Right,
tomato bread.
That's tomato bread. Ian's got the Big Red out now. And a couple of burgers tonight.
Oh. All wagyu on the go.
Oh, that's looking nice, dear.
Looking gorgeous, aren't they? Wagyu, 95% beef, all beef. Ho, 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 ho. Ooh, that was hot. Oh, look at that. Peace for a king.